guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm doing a side heart fan fold shirt. To begin, I have laid my shirt out flat and I am going to just fold it in half. For my heart, I have a stencil that I've made from a piece of plastic cutting board, and I'm just going to lay that onto my shirt and use a washable marker to trace it on. Then I'm going to fan fold my shirt, beginning at the top of my heart. I find that it's easier to fan fold a heart starting at the top and going down to the bottom. After my heart is fan folded, I'm going to tie it with some sinew. The rest of my shirt, I'm just going to continue to fan fold, and I'm going to tie it with some kite string. After my shirt was tied, I drew myself some lines on where I want to apply my dye. I used a washable marker and drew on kind of a chevron type pattern, both on the front and the back of the shirt. For the shirt today, I'm going to use some Dharma colors. I have some powder pink and fuchsia both mixed up, but I don't have a lot of either one of them, so I'm going to just dump them together and use a combination of that. Then I'm going to apply turquoise, followed by grape. And then I'm just going to continue that pattern on down the shirt, turn it over, and use the same pattern on the back side. I'm saturating these areas really well so I don't have any large white areas left in the middle of my shirt. After I've applied the dye, I'm just going to put the shirt aside and I'm going to allow it to process for 24 hours. Okay, so here's what our shirt ended up looking like. If you all are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.